Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. So guys, today we're gonna be making Asun. Asun is basically do I call it smoked goat meat or grilled goat meat, but we call it Asun back in Nigeria where I come from. So for this, you're gonna be needing a couple of items which I'm gonna be dropping at the description box below, so you can use it and make yours. It's very simple, it's not even hard. All you need is a goat meat and some few spices, put things together and then you're good to go. All right, so anyways, I have my goat meat here. The goat meat that I'm using is already pre-burnt. We could get that in the African store or wherever they like they allow, where they kill goat meat, goats and all that stuff. You could ask them to just bought it for you and you should be good to go. So all I did here was just mix like my onions, my paprika, a pepper, just simple ingredients. Like I said, I'm gonna put it in the description box below. And for the garnishing, you could see I have my rainbow peppers. I love my rainbow peppers. You could use anything you like to garnish, but back in my country, normally that's what we do. So what I'm doing here is, after I marinated it, I put it in the pot just to boil it a little bit, not with water. I didn't add water. I just allowed it to cook by itself and release its juice and then cook in its own juice. So basically that's what I did. Then I added liquid smoke. Since I wasn't grilling outside or making it outside, it's in my oven in my house. I decided to use my helper, which is the liquid smoke. You could get that on Amazon or any health food store. So after I boiled that, I brought it out and I started to cut it into bite sizes. That is something you can do. Normally Asun is supposed to be like bite sizes, not huge. So that's all I'm doing here. I'm cutting it and then I transfer it into the rack, put it in the oven, leave it to brown a little bit, not all the way. Remember, it's already pre-cooked. And then I brought it out. Meanwhile, while I was doing that, I started to get my garnishings ready. I used, you could see, vegetable stock. I used curry, thyme, ginger and garlic paste, and here is my rainbow pepper, and I used white onions. White onions taste as if it's pure sugar. That's what I call it. So so right here I'm using olive oil to fry, or do I say saute, my vegetables. With the vegetables you need to really put spices to make it kind of more tasty than tasting just bland. So that's just all I'm doing here. It's quite simple. I used know something with this asun, you could even use it for like your rice, cauliflower rice, whatever you like. You could eat it like that. Like for us, we ate it like that with a bottle of chilled wine. I mean, on a good Sunday evening or good Saturday evening, you and your spouse, you and your family, whomever you loved so much, and that's it. So anyway, so you see me here sauteing the vegetables, and when the vegetables is almost done, I added the stock cube there, which I use the vegetable stock. You could use chicken or beef, whatever, but when I make vegetable, I like to use vegetable stock, things like that. So I'm just giving it a quick stir and allowing it to fry. And now this is me adding the curry powder. Adjust your seasoning in any way you think is convenient and comfortable for you. Go ahead and just adjust. This is my ginger garlic paste. I love to use it. It's very handy. A link is going to be popping up where I made it, so you could make yours and have it handy in the house. I'm adding salt. Be very, very cautious about the salt. You don't want to over salt your meal. We got to be careful. So you go ahead and keep saute, turning it around, all that good stuff. When you feel you're comfortable, everybody has a way they like their vegetable. You can stop them and then add your meat. So right now I'm adding the grilled goat meat into it, and I'm gonna mix them together and allow them to like cook together for like probably 2 to 3 minutes, just for this vegetable to kind of mix with the meat. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Tell me, why won't you go do yours? Why won't you try yours? You don't have to spend a lot of money outside going to buy this. Well, if you're lazy, you can do that, but make yours at home. The reason why I'm adding paprika, I actually added smoked paprika, not just regular paprika, for color and for that smoky taste. Remember, we're grilling this in the oven. It's not on our outdoor grill, so we really need to taste that smokiness, and also that liquid smoke also helped a lot with it. I really love, I mean, whoever invented that liquid smoke, kudos to that person, because that really, really, really serves me very well. Some people don't like to use it, but hey, I mean, I have to do what I have to do to get my desired taste. So I'm just here mixing everything together. Look at that lovely sight, guys. Don't you just love what you see? It looks amazing and very simple to make. Look at that. Voila! I present to you Asun, beautifully made by moi. Guys, thank you so much for joining me. You see how I paired mine with some plantain and some salad? That was awesome. Go ahead and make yours. Thank you so much for joining me. Subscribe, like, share. Bye.